Hello, and welcome to this quick introduction to Armicus. Armicus is not a traditional asset management system. Instead, it is an everything IT management system. It gives you complete control over the shape of the data that you wish to store. This lets you track anything: assets, consumables, media, virtual machines, and whatever else management has decided is now IT's responsibility. And to get started, you need a template. A template is how you define the type of object that you wish to track. For example, to track DVDs, you could create a template that recorded the title and the release date. To track virtual machines, you might want the host name and the number of cores assigned. To make your own template, click Templates on the navigation bar and then the big plus button. For this video, we will be creating a simple asset template to replicate a more conventional asset management system. As you can see, I have already created some fields, but there are a couple more to add. First, we'll add a cost field. Fields default to the string format, but string fields don't have any validation on them, so we'll change it to make sure that only numbers can be entered. There are a lot of different formats in Armicus, including custom regular expressions, currencies, measurements, Boolean values, and more. For now, we will be selecting £sterling. We also want to record which office the asset is in. We could do this with a simple string field, but Armicus lets us use other templates as formats. When selecting a template as a format, the value of the field will be an entity based on the selected template. For example, we will select the office template now, and when we create our first asset, we will select our London entity. You might notice that I said entity rather than asset. Because Armicus is designed to hold everything an IT department needs to manage, things to be tracked are referred to by the more generic term of entities. If we click Entities on the navigation bar, we can see the 3 office locations I created earlier. Clicking the big plus button presents us with a list of existing templates in the system that we can use as the basis of an entity. We'll select our asset template for now. Most fields are simple text boxes, but some are more specialized. For example, a template field only lets you select entities of the selected template, and the timestamp field has a picker to allow easy entry of a timestamp. To ensure that Armicus can integrate with your environment, it has been designed as an API-first product. The entire system has a single, versionless GraphQL API available at api.armicus.com. To make it easier to work with the API, the website has an IDE built in that runs queries and mutations with the logged-in user's credentials. As you can see, the IDE is pre-populated on first use with a simple getUser query. GraphQL is also self-documenting, and we can use that to see what else we can query on a user object. For a simple example, we will get the organization name and ID of our user. Run the query again, and we can see that our user, support@armicus.com, is a member of the Armicus organization. That concludes this introduction. This has been a simple demonstration of Armicus, but there are no limits to the number of templates or entities that you can create. If you are interested in what you saw, Armicus is completely free to use at armicus.com. If you are interested but would like to see a feature added before you sign up, please let me know so that I can build it. For any questions or feedback, you can email me at support@armicus.com or post on the official subreddit at reddit.com/r/Armicus. If you know anyone that might also be interested, please send them this video. For updates, follow @Armicus Official on Twitter or join the subreddit. Thank you for watching.